to the window, to the wall, till the sweat runs down my balls. Thank you. Coming soon, Build Dad Build, the album. Do you guys know what an album is? It's a much larger CD that has grooves in it. It had a little needle. You know what I'm talking about. What is up, cupcakes? It is Wednesday, and I still am not tired of vlogging yet. What I am tired of is these little should-have been BJs murking my ass in Fortnite. Let's go pwn some noobs. It was gonna be more eventful if you could have seen the light come on. Well, hello there. This is the state of being when you start pushing 50. Today is about gear. Well, kind of. What we're gonna be doing today is I got a new camera, and I'm gonna be working with that today just to get a feel for it. So what I did is I went out and I bought the Sony, watch this, see, I can't even read the name of it. I bought the Sony ZV-E1. It's like one of their newest cameras. I was gonna go with the FX30, but this is cheaper, and it seemed like this is gonna do everything I need it to do. Plus, man, when I was looking at that FX30, it's affordable for a cinema camera, but it takes 2 SD cards, and the SD cards that I saw recommended for are like $300 or $400 a pop. And to quote a really old reference from Damon Wayans, homie, don't play that. So I wanted to have kind of the run and gun vlog setup, right? So I ordered a mic for it too. It's a Rode Video Mic Pro, but this comes with a battery, and I'm really bad about letting batteries run out. And Sony makes a shotgun mic for this camera. Well, I don't know if it's for this camera specifically, but it's designed to use the hot shoe on the actual camera. So it turns on and off when the camera's on and off. So you're basically powering it with the camera. I'm gonna turn this off now, and I'm gonna switch over to this. This is gonna be seamless for you guys. It's gonna take me a few minutes, but, so I don't know how much of a difference you can see, because this is like at a focal length where everything's still a little blurry to me, but my background should be kind of blurry, and I should probably look a little bit better. This is a full frame camera versus right there I was shooting on my iPhone, which is a pretty decent camera too. All right, we're gonna head down to the shop, but if you guys wanna know more about this camera, let me know. I am not a huge camera dork. So I listen to what other people tell me more than anything. I usually set it on full auto. I don't really mess with ISO, things like that. I used to when I took pictures, but I don't really, for video, I kind of let the camera do the work. I just wanted to get a better camera to do better work. But I can give you my thoughts on it once I have used it for a little bit. Now, to the shop. So let's talk about LazerCON. Or more importantly, let's talk about AP Laser, the folks that are sponsoring the contest to send you to Vegas for LazerCON. LazerCON, con. Vegas. But wait, have you entered to win the Las Vegas trip where you get to go to LazerCON with me, with yours truly, in Las Vegas at the end of June? If you haven't, hit that link down below. And let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Let's sit down and gab, as the old biddies would say. Let's gab about it. As you can see, these lasers are built a little different. They have what they call an open architecture underneath, similar to a pass-through, but this whole base is mobile, so you can literally roll this over something if you want. This machine is the 4024. Basically, the numbers of the machines designate the size of the bed. This is 40 inches by 24 inches. However, this is not a lowrider model like the one that AP Laser is giving away at LazerCON. The lowrider models allow you to do is to lower the laser all the way to the floor. And like I said in the first vlog, you can literally, and people literally have, engraved the floors of their shops, their businesses, things like that. But my unit does come with a lift cart. This cart will hold up to 2,200 pounds. You can roll it into the frame and then raise it up. Many businesses that have AP lasers, their business is engraving like tombstones and memorials and things like that. So they have heavy stock that they need to put on the lift cart and raise up. I would assume that the lowrider model, you could put it on the cart, roll it under there. It's probably easier to move the laser up and down than it is a giant chunk of granite. But even with the honeycomb in there, this thing gets deep. And I mean, real deep. And just for any excuse to not use the metric system, you can fit a whole child-sized mannequin in there. Seriously, just for reference, it's a 5-gallon bucket. You also have a set of blades underneath the honeycomb if you're cutting larger pieces. Before somebody asks, it helps with airflow beneath the piece so you don't have as many flare-ups. So I've been looking for a door to put on our laundry room that has a window on it because I just wanted to engrave like the word laundry on it. I just thought that would be a nice little touch. And when I find the door, I'm going to just be able to wheel it through the open architecture of this thing and engrave it right on there. I don't have to take the painted glass out or anything. So convenience, baby. I'm all about the convenience. This is steel, baby. It's not going anywhere. It doesn't move unless I want it to move. It's heavy. It's a beast. You do not have to have one this big. As a matter of fact, the one that's being given away is a 2616, much smaller footprint. With all that lasery goodness, if you ask anybody that has an AP laser what their favorite thing about their AP laser is, they're gonna say this sticker right here. That is 24-hour, 7-day-a-week, 365 days a year tech support. And when you call that number, somebody answers and they know about the lasers. They're not going through like you know, like a lot of those customer service lines where you call and you're having an issue and they're like,
have you turned it off and turned it back on again?
Because they're going through a script. These guys know what they're talking about. I actually had an issue when I first got this. I knocked off one of the limit switches when I was putting it together. I didn't even notice, but the machine wouldn't home. It kept grinding. I called tech support and within 10 minutes, maybe, we have it troubleshot and we had it fixed. So customer service. Plus, those AP laser guys know how to party, man. Whenever I get a chance to go to one of their events, I'm there. Because they're awesome. But I'm glad you guys are along with me on this laser journey where we're seeing all this innovation. I love all this new stuff. I love the technology. I love the idea that I can make something really, really super fine when I have the precision of a hammer. So I'm gonna call the old vloggy vlog for today. I probably rambled way too long. I really hope you do enter to win the contest and I hope you win so you can join me in Vegas. If not, I hope you decide to join me in Vegas anyway. If you decide to come to LazerCON, let me know, we'll definitely hang out. But I think I'm gonna try to do a meet and greet somewhere during that time as well. So if you are not attending LazerCON, but you are close enough to Las Vegas to either drive in or you live in Las Vegas, maybe we'll set up something where we'll meet out and go skydiving or shoot guns or who am I kidding? We'll probably just drink. And until tomorrow, whoop!